In a world inundated with cutting-edge technology, there's no shortage of gadgets designed to boost your well-being. But with so many options out there, how do you know which ones are worth your time and investment? Fear not, because today we're diving into the realm of health gadgets that are revolutionizing the way we approach fitness and wellness. From hydration aids to high-tech wearables, we've curated a list of 12 cutting-edge health gadgets that are guaranteed to elevate your well-being in 2023 and beyond. So, whether you're a seasoned fitness fanatic or just embarking on your wellness journey, buckle up as we explore the future of health technology. Let's dive in. Number 1. Sport Electric Blender Bottle. Picture this. You're gearing up for a workout, and you need a quick energy boost to power through. Enter the Sport Electric Blender Bottle. This ingenious gadget takes the hassle out of pre-workout nutrition by allowing you to whip up delicious fruit and vegetable juices in a flash. With its powerful blending capabilities, this bottle ensures that you get all the nutrients you need to fuel your fitness goals. Say goodbye to clunky blenders and hello to convenient, on-the-go nutrition with the Sport Electric Blender Bottle. Number 2. Water Reminder. We all know that staying hydrated is crucial for optimal performance, but let's face it, keeping track of your water intake can be a challenge. That's where the Water Reminder comes in. This handy gadget takes the guesswork out of hydration by reminding you to drink water at regular intervals throughout the day. Whether you're hitting the gym or tackling a busy day at the office, this device ensures that you stay hydrated and focused so you can crush your goals with ease. Number 3. 12-in-1 Multifunctional Keychain Flashlight. Safety first, especially when it comes to outdoor activities like biking or hiking. That's where the 12-in-1 Multifunctional Keychain Flashlight comes in. With its powerful LED light and versatile design, this gadget provides you with the illumination you need to stay safe and visible during nighttime adventures. Whether you're navigating dark trails or signaling for help in an emergency, this flashlight has got you covered. Plus, with its compact size and durable construction, it's the perfect companion for any outdoor excursion. Number 4. Foldable Reusable Bag. Say goodbye to bulky gym bags and hello to the foldable reusable bag. This innovative tote is designed with convenience in mind, allowing you to pack up your essentials with ease. Whether you're hitting the gym or running errands, this bag offers ample storage space without taking up precious real estate in your backpack or car. Plus, its durable construction means it can handle whatever you throw its way, making it the ultimate companion for your active lifestyle. Number 5. Collapsible Large Capacity Water Bottle. Hydration is key, especially when you're on the go. That's where the collapsible large capacity water bottle comes in. This portable hydration solution is perfect for fitness enthusiasts who are always on the move. With its collapsible design and generous capacity, this bottle allows you to stay hydrated wherever your adventures take you. Plus, its lightweight construction means you can toss it in your bag without weighing yourself down. Say goodbye to disposable plastic bottles and hello to sustainable hydration with this innovative gadget. Number 6. 31 Plastic Bottles Made Large Backpack. Looking for a gym bag that's as eco-friendly as it is stylish? Look no further than the 31 Plastic Bottles Made Large Backpack. Crafted from recycled plastic bottles, this backpack offers a sustainable solution to your storage needs. With its spacious interior and durable construction, it's perfect for hauling all your fitness essentials. Plus, knowing that you're making a positive impact on the environment makes every workout feel even more rewarding. Say hello to sustainability and goodbye to single-use plastics with this innovative backpack. Number 7. Ultralight Rechargeable LED Headlamp. Whether you're hitting the trails or exploring the great outdoors, visibility is key. That's where the ultralight rechargeable LED headlamp comes in. With its powerful LED light and lightweight design, this headlamp provides you with the illumination you need to navigate dark paths and trails with confidence. Plus, its rechargeable battery means you never have to worry about running out of power halfway through your adventure. Say goodbye to bulky flashlights and hello to hands-free illumination with this must-have gadget. Number 8. Bone Conduction Headphones. Music can be a powerful motivator during workouts, but traditional headphones can be bulky and uncomfortable. That's where bone conduction headphones come in. Unlike traditional headphones, which transmit sound through the ear canal, bone conduction headphones send vibrations directly to the inner ear, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes without blocking out ambient noise. Plus, their lightweight design and secure fit make them perfect for high-intensity workouts. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to uninterrupted music with bone conduction headphones. Number 9. Muscle roller. After a tough workout, nothing beats a good stretch to relax tight muscles and improve flexibility. That's where the muscle roller comes in. This innovative gadget uses targeted pressure to release tension and improve circulation, helping you recover faster and perform better. Whether you're dealing with post-workout soreness or just need to unwind after a long day, this roller has got you covered. Say goodbye to muscle stiffness and hello to relaxation and recovery with the muscle roller. Number 10. Body fat scale. Tracking your progress is key to reaching your fitness goals, and a body fat scale can help you do just that. These scales use bioelectrical impedance analysis to measure your body composition, including your muscle mass, body fat percentage, and water weight. By tracking these metrics over time, you can gain valuable insights into your progress and make informed decisions about your diet and exercise routine. Plus, many body fat scales sync with smartphone apps, making it easy to track your data and monitor your progress on the go. Number 11. Sports bracelets. If you're prone to wrist injuries or just want added support during workouts, sports bracelets are a must-have accessory. These wristbands provide compression and stability to the wrist joint, reducing the risk of injury and improving overall performance. Plus, many sports bracelets are made with sweat-wicking materials to keep you cool and comfortable during even the most intense workouts. Whether you're lifting weights or hitting the tennis court, sports bracelets are a simple yet effective way to protect your wrists and maximize your performance. Number 12. Sport watch. Last but not least, we have the ultimate fitness accessory, the Sport Watch. These high-tech gadgets do more than just tell time. They track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and analyze your sleep patterns to help you optimize your performance and recovery. With features like GPS tracking, step counting, and calorie monitoring, Sport Watches provide valuable insights into your fitness journey and help you stay motivated to reach your goals. Plus, many Sport Watches sync with smartphone apps, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your fitness data into your daily routine. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision with a Sport Watch by your side. And there you have it, 12 cutting-edge health gadgets to boost your well-being in 2023 and beyond. From hydration aids to high-tech wearables, these innovative gadgets are revolutionizing the way we approach fitness and wellness. So whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out on your wellness journey, there's something on this list for everyone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and keep striving for greatness.